Sorry to interrupt. In non-intubated patients or non-HFNO therapy, which is called as high flow oxygen therapy, in COVID awake repositioning CARP protocols can be implemented if it is indicated. That is, SpO2 can be monitored through the pulse oximeter. Appropriate indications and proper referral by the intensivist or physicians is very essential. We can give only for the productive secretions, not for dry cough or breathlessness and other related hypoxia, which is predominantly 80%. The 20% who is having a productive secretions in the lungs, they need a physiotherapy. As well as after the post ventilation, definitely patient need a CARP protocol, incentive spirometry and mobilization exercises, walking. All these rehabilitations are very essential. Ensure that the referral by the physician is really needed, and mild symptoms without signifying respiratory illness, fever, dry cough, no chest x-ray changes, physiotherapists are not indicated at all. That is called as non-productive cough. Mild symptoms, pneumonia, coexisting respiratory or neuromuscular comorbidity, anticipated difficulty with secretion clearance, physiotherapy reference for airway clearance and accurate precautions on airborne is essential. Pulmonary rehabilitation. After weaned from ventilator, patients are frail with significant respiratory acquired weakness. So their functional decline in limbs may need mobilization exercises, very gradual. They become more tired. They cannot able to do these positioning even at all. So we can gradually train them, and incentive spirometry, even 1 or 2 puffs they cannot able to blow out. So mobilization exercises twice daily. This is a protocol that we have to follow as a physiotherapist. TheraBand exercises 10 repetitions, upper and lower limb. Cycling 10 minutes. Incentive spirometry 10 times. These are all the common protocols. If decline SpO2 3%, 6 minutes walk test must be conducted. Inadequate oxygen, inform to the physician. So this is a total rehabilitation as per the Indian context. Better contact less physiotherapy. Thank you one and all.